Fingerprints. We all have them. They're unique. Your fingerprint belongs only to you. That's kind of cool. But they also kind of suck. Let me tell you why. Police will use them against you. That's not what I meant. No, they suck because on your gadgets, they get everywhere. Every gadget company on the planet has a glossy little surface. This nasty kind of... Jack did this. He marked this up beforehand, actually. His hands are... Try to talk to him about it, but... Oh, it's not even funny. It's not, he doesn't even... He's upset now. Today, we're looking at something called the Eye Roller. Liquid-free, touchscreen, display cleaner. Now, I've tried all the sprays. I've tried all the cloths. Microfiber this. Go with the t-shirt. Everybody knows that move right there. I hate it. Well, these guys, look at them. Oh, hi, we're the Eye Roller. We're here to solve your problem. Are you, though? Are you really? Or does your product suck? Is it all a lie? Is it a big marketing fiasco? Look at the image on the front. I'd click on that. You clicked on this. Ha, ha, ha. It's kind of like a little, almost like a lint roller that you would use on some clothing to remove lint, except this one is targeted at fingerprints. It's pretty inexpensive, but this is... Ooh. You pull that off. Sticky material. Moment of truth. As you guys know, this thing, now that's a fingerprint magnet. Look at that. Gross. And as you know, you take the cloth, in many cases, even with the spray, you're just kind of like pushing the smudge around. That's where the Eye Roller comes in. Oh! It works even better on the iPad. Are you seeing all that? This thing actually... Where have you been all my life, Eye Roller? I'll tell you, my number one concern at this point is like, how long does this thing remain active and effective? Okay, I got a laptop here as well. You're not supposed to be touching the screen, but if you're a guy like Ryan, sometimes you forget that. You just start. Let's see how she fares. Oh! Why is that so satisfying? Just watching those fingerprints die. Alright, last up. What if you just got glossy gadgets? You've seen this glossy plastic on something. You know what? It works, but it's not as amazing as on the glass. Is this going to replace every cloth and spray in your house? No. It's not, but man. It's doing something. What's your excuse now, huh? Mr. Fingerprint?
Eye Roller is a simple, portable, reusable touchscreen display cleaner that requires no liquids or cloths. Eye Roller's unique gripping surface quickly and easily removes fingerprints, smudges, dust, and debris from the screens of tablets, smartphones, and other electronic devices with digital displays. Eye Roller is easy to use. Simply roll open the outer shell and place the gripping surface down evenly on the surface of the device. With light downward pressure, roll back and forth over the surface of the screen as needed. The dust and smudges are lifted off the screen like magic, with no messy liquids or cleaning cloths. For smartphones and smaller devices, one roll is all it takes. Then simply close the outer shell and Eye Roller is ready to travel. Eye Roller is so compact and lightweight, it's perfect for people on the go. At school, at work, on vacation, even in the glove box of your car, Eye Roller goes everywhere you go. Eye Roller can be used over and over again. Simply rinse under tap water, then set Eye Roller upright to dry, or dab dry with a lint-free cloth.
one there. If you want to do a video selfie or do a selfie, and yes, you're gonna hold it with the hand, but you want to be hands-free. Maybe you want to use a Skype or Snapchat or one of the applications in video, and you want to be able to move and put in a nice angle. Right, so let me show you what we're going to show that today, Menina.
Today, we're going to show you the Nolaxi foldable tablet phone stand.
Right, so we're going to show this little device right now. How we doing, everyone? Once again, this is David from Media Box CNT Blockchain with another great product to show you. So today we have, Menina.
Today we have the Nolaxi foldable tablet phone stand. It has multi-angle viewing, fully foldable, and it has a lifetime warranty.
Yeah. So to close this little device, we're gonna close it this way, and we close it this way. This is aluminum, so real nice. So now, the cool thing about this, if you need to have a right angle, let's a little hard to see in the video. Let me see if I can show you. Let's say that I use my phone, right? And let me show you. I can show you this way. You see the angle. So, and it points right in my face. So I can keep it this way. Right, that's like this. And now it's nice for me to make a nice video. We can see right over there in the main screen. You can see the angle. So it's real nice if I have to do a snapshot. Even for me to make videos, I can put it right there and use to see what's going on, or see a YouTube live, or see a movie maybe. We can put your phone this way. And if you have a tablet, yes, it will hold a tablet.
It holds a tablet of from 4 to 10 inches.
Yeah.
E-readers as well.
Yeah.
E-readers.
E-readers. So you see there in the main screen. Let's look this way. This is an iPad 2. That's a pretty heavy one. Let's see that. I have to change the angle because that's heavy. But it will hold it too. Yeah, if you change the angle a little bit, see, that's it. It's perfect. So
and it also has the anti-slip silicone pad.
Yeah, a nice product to use to travel and make hand-free to watch a movie. Real nice, right, Menina?
To watch a movie is actually good, because I remember at school, if you wanted to watch a movie, you had to hold it in your hands.
Well, you're not supposed to be watching movies at school, though.
When you're standing at the library taking a break.
Okay. Good point.
Okay.
All right, so Menina, to get this gray Nolaxi product, what the people need to do?
Well, all they have to do is like go to the link right below the video and buy it right now and make it yours.
Right there. So Menina, see you next time with another great product?
Absolutely, yes.
All right, bye.
Bye.